I will take the piston now, making sure that the gap on the ring is in the right place and that the piston itself, it hasn't got any grit on it or anything like that. And then I'll take some 2-stroke oil, put it around the piston and the ring, and then I'll take some, put it around the pot inside. Yes, the engine will smoke when it starts, but it will be nicely lubricated. We don't have to fear any seizures. Okay, so that's okay. And as we said earlier, there's a mark on top of the piston. There's an arrow. That always faces the exhaust port. And the reason I like to put the piston into the barrel at this stage is because it's much easier and much more sort of malleable to do so. The good thing about these types of barrel is that you don't need a piston ring compressor in order to place in the piston. You can see there the large opening, and it gradually goes narrow. And it's that narrowing that gently closes the piston ring and allows the piston to go straight into the barrel. You'll see. And it's facing downwards, the arrow, because the exhaust port is on the underside. This is the carburettor side. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll place this in like this, and then we'll line it up and gently just wiggle it so the ring can manipulate into place. And there. The ring is now compressed all well, and it's going into the cylinder. No problem. I can feel all is well just by moving it around like that.